What's up, online shoppers? If you are looking to up your shower experience from a regular shower to an aromatherapy session, you're going to want to check out these Body Restore Clarity Pack of shower steamers, and I absolutely love how they can change my shower experience in just a couple minutes. This little package is pretty fantastic. Rose, floral, citrus grove, lavender, milk honey, fresh tea tree, eucalyptus mint. Now, Body Restore does make a ton of different scents, and this pretty much is the lineup of all my favorites. What they are basically, we're gonna open this one up here, is this little puck that's made up of essential oils and sodium bicarbonate, which essentially is baking soda. These are not for putting in a bath, they are for external use only. Now, this isn't just fragrance. There are actual high quality essential oils in here like mint and eucalyptus and lavender that are meant to boost your shower experience and take it beyond just something that smells good to something that actually is having an impact on you. These dissolve really easy. The warm or hot water of your shower will help to release and distribute the scent, and then your shower experience goes from something everyday to something extra special. I will say where you position these is going to be key in how long they last in your shower. Now, I definitely wouldn't put it right on the drain because the water will go over it and it will disintegrate quickly. I usually put it maybe about a foot or two from my shower drain so that the water gently over the time that I'm in the shower disintegrates the sodium bicarbonate and releases the essential oils. Now, this blend here is called Clarity because there are a wide range of scents included. I love the eucalyptus mint and the tea tree anytime I'm not feeling the greatest. I love the way both of these help to open up my nasal passages. They help me to feel less stuffy when I have a cold. This milk and honey one, also this one here that is the floral rose, they're just these luxurious and soft scents that just feel very extra. If I want to go to sleep, lavender is the one that I put in the shower. Just a nice, relaxing, gentle scent that helps me feel more ready for bed, if you will. I'm feeling good and happy and I just want to escalate that. I love citrus grove. To me, this is like sunshine in a little white puck, and I really do enjoy the overall experience of putting these shower steamers in with my shower. So whether you're looking for a gift for a stocking stuffer, for a birthday, or a just little thinking of you present for someone who needs a pick-me-up, these Body Restore shower steamers are truly awesome. They transform your shower from a regular just getting clean experience to something that's more memorable and deliciously scented. It's not over the top, but it does add a little spa element to your day, and who doesn't like to have a little luxury extra, especially when life is hectic. These shower steamers from Body Restore are awesome and a family favorite at my house.